If you want a credit note, click on the credit note button. After opening the credit note form, if you want to make a bill-wise credit note, first click on the bill-wise button. After the bill-wise form opens, you will see all the bills. If you want to search for a customer's bill, press Ctrl plus F button. Press and type name in search and press Enter button. After that, you will be shown the details of the searched customers. Enter on the bill. You will see the product in those bills. Type the product return you want to return in the quantity return and press Enter and click on the Save button. Then that customer and product details will show in credit note. And then you can save credit note. Keep pressing Enter button to save.